And for some Moroccan Americans here in Central Florida, they say they just cannot sit back and watch their home country suffer.
WESH 2's Marlene Martinez spoke with some people who plan to fly to Morocco this weekend to help where they can.
Amal, what are we looking at here?
These were just dropped off, like I said, we just started yesterday.
These are the first donations that Amal Lascelles has gotten after turning her law firm into a drop-off site to help families suffering in Morocco after the earthquake.
Medication and toothbrushes for children, that's nice.
Amal's family lives in Morocco. Her dad was there the night the earthquake hit.
He slept on the street. He slept in his car like everybody else.
Amal was born and raised in Morocco, so she says she can't just sit and watch.
My family is directly affected, people I know, people I love, people I grew up with, and then seeing people in the rubbles and children and villages that have lost almost all of the men, the main providers, left with only women and children. It's sad. It's very sad. These people need help.
So she plans to help. She's raised over $40,000 and says she and her team are going to Morocco this weekend to make sure that the money and donations end up with the people who need the help.
We're just going to hit the road and, help people and deliver these items. If I sit here, sit back and just watch it unfold, it's just not the same.
And I'd rather be there myself than hear the stories. It affects me so much.
Samir Faki also plans to fly from Florida to Morocco this weekend. He's the president of the Moroccan American Cultural Society of Florida.
It's very important because when we're here, we don't know exactly how to help. But when you're there, you will be there.
His focus? Getting sleeping bags to people in the areas hardest hit.
These people live in the mountains and they may have the food, they may have any other things, and a regular mat light is not going to help.
In Orlando, Marlene Martinez, WESH 2 News.
These are the types of donations Amal is collecting at her office on East Robinson Street in Orlando. Folks have until Wednesday to drop those donations off.